On this video, you will see tackling out of cover 3. Following this, you'll see different ways to run the same drill but get different angles so the player will understand he has to change his angle when the ball carrier approaches them from a different angle. Here you'll see the coach as the quarterback. He will drop to 3, 5, or 7 steps. You'll see the managers with the donuts. That represents the back in the flat, or like a toss sweep with the running back. The guy on the hash is the curl flat dropper. The guy on the outside is the left corner. He's the deep third player. Once again, you can work your cover drops as well as tackling with these drills following. So the strong safety nickel outside backer type will pop, pop, pop for run pass. He will work to the top of the numbers, 10 to 12 yards deep. The left corner, 1x7 off the line of scrimmage, will pedal and burst in his pedal to represent he is the deep thirds player. The coach will then drop as a 3-step. This illustrates the ball being thrown to the flat. When the coach brings his hand off the balls, the defenders will break, and the manager then rolls the dummy. At that point, they will break on the ball. The first defender to the ball carry will say out, out, out. The defender off the ball carry will say in, in. This is a great way to work a drill. Once again, driving for 5 yards. Here's another variation of the same drill. Now working it with DBs. The gentleman on the hash, once again, he is the curl flat defender. He will work 10 to 12 yards deep to a yard or 2 yards on the top of the numbers. The left corner, once again, is 1x7 off. He will burst in his pedal, representing the deep third defender. The left coach, the gentleman on the numbers, now is representing a fly sweep, or he's representing a smoke pass. So the quarterback will then take a 3-step drop, throw the smoke pass out here once the defender's set up. Once again, when the coach pulls his hand off, that is the ultimate trigger. You will see them break on the football. The first person there will say out, out, out. The second player will say in, in. Great illustration. Now, as you see here, let's back this up. Now it's a hook dropper as well as a curl flat defender. 43 is the curl flat defender. 57 is the hook dropper. Now the hook dropper will drop 10 to 12 yards deep, a yard outside the hash. 43 being the curl flat defender will work 10 to 12 yards deep to a yard to 2 yards on top of the numbers. Once again, the quarterback being the ultimate key. This creates different angles to work on your tackling, once again, from a cover 3 drop. They set up on the quarterback. Quarterback pulls his hands off on the ball. They drive on the donut, hit, wrap, and drive for 5.